This simple technique can elevate your problem-solving skills, popularly known as the 5 whys technique, originally developed by Toyota to identify the root causes of manufacturing issues. The 5 whys technique is a straightforward method to delve deep into the problems and uncover their true origins. Here's how it works. When you encounter an issue, ask why 5 times. Each answer forms the basis for the next question, leading you deeper into the problem's core. Let's say your code is running slower than anticipated. Why is that happening? Because it's taking a long time to process a large dataset. But why? Because I'm using 2 nested loops to search for a specific value. Why is that? Because I thought nested loops were the easiest solution. Why? Because I don't know more efficient search algorithms. Why? Because I haven't invested time in learning data structures and algorithms. By the 5th why, we have uncovered the root issue, a need to deepen our understanding of data structures and algorithms. Next time you face a coding challenge, try the 5 whys technique. This technique is applicable not only in coding but also in real-life scenarios. Stay subscribed to TechSuvid for more informative videos. See you on the next.